My name is Matt Gagner. I'm from Advantage Enterprises. We're a tree service here in Massachusetts. They sent me, well, I have several wood chippers right now. We're running a couple of Morbark 15s, a couple of Morbark 18s. We're running this track 20. We have another grapple 20, and we have a bigger 4036 wood chipper that we currently use pretty much every day. I got the opportunity to have some SharpEdge blades sent out to me to give them a whirl and see what I thought about them and put them out with my crews. And I was pretty impressed with them. What I liked about them is they seem to hold out pretty well. We're feeding everything pretty much mechanically with either a skid steer or an excavator, and we tend to get more rock and material that other than the wood fiber, and they seem to hold out pretty well with that. And the other thing we liked about them is it comes convenient with the bolts right in the box with it, and that's pretty good because most time you don't have the bolts there, so you take your other bolts out and your new ones in, and never mind the stretch factor, but peening over the tops of the heads, you know, every now and then you get into a jam and you need to keep fresh bolts, and so it's convenient to have them with the kit, so when we need them we have them. So we were pretty happy about that. So as far as the maintenance kits go, for us it's a no-brainer. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the oil filter, air filters, it comes with the fuel filters. It's all right there, so you let them know what you have for an engine in it, and it comes in a kit. So when it comes time to do your maintenance, basically you pull out the kit, you do your maintenance, and just reorder a kit and stock your shelf. If you get into a jam and you know fuel filters are their own animals, you don't know how many hours until you need a fuel filter. You always have one on hand, and that's just convenient as well. But for us, we're going to throw it on the shelf. When we need it, we're going to take it out and just replace the one that we have on the shelf.